What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to specifically talk about a review and tutorial for the Gate exchange. Now, you may previously know this from Gate.io, now it's Gate.com, and it's still the same amazing exchange, which I have been using for many years now. So Gate.io has been around for over 13 years and still going very strong. It's one of the largest exchanges, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about why I have been using it over the past few years and why I'm going to start to use it even more coming into this bull market. In my opinion, Gate has some of the best features out there for exchanges, and it's pretty much an all-in-one platform where you don't need to go anywhere for anything else. Whether it's centralized or decentralized things that you need, Gate covers it all. As always guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I really do appreciate all the support and the love on my videos, liking the videos and commenting down below. It really means the world. Of course, you can enter to win $200 every single Monday simply by dropping a comment saying literally anything down below. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. First of all, I want to start with this article right here showing that Gate CEO from 30 million global users to a next generation crypto exchange. Gate.io is preparing for this bull market, and they are preparing very big. They already have millions, tens of millions of users, and this is going to grow exponentially coming into the bull market, and that's why they are very safe. In my opinion, it's one of the safest exchanges out there. They haven't had any major hacks or anything like that ever in their history of 13 years. So in my opinion, it's very safe. We can see also here they have the latest proof of reserves as well in totals right there, around 10.504 billion in reserves and excess of 2.17. Of course, this is subject to change depending on when you're watching this video. You can see it on their website here as well if you wanted to get the live accurate information about all the details about their reserves. This is really important for me that the exchange is very transparent with their proof of reserves, because in the past other exchanges haven't been so. That's why it's best to stick with a trusted one. On the basis of trust as well, they have many regulatory licenses, registrations and approvals. You can see here from the likes of Hong Kong, Gibraltar, Malta, Italy, Australia, Lithuania, Dubai, DMCC. That's actually what I have, Dubai right there as well, Japan, Bahamas, Argentina, Cyprus, many different regulatory licenses, registrations and approvals, so they are completely legitimate. Another thing which I absolutely love guys, and I want to talk about this maybe a little bit in more depth in another video, is their token, Gate token. If you know anything about my channel, anything about what I've said in the past, exchange tokens always perform really well in bull markets. And right now, just simply by looking at this, we can see it's had an all-time high of around $25 back at the start of the year. Now it's currently corrected to around $17.50. This is an amazing opportunity in my opinion, with over a 2 billion market cap, ranked currently 49th, a good safe opportunity in my opinion, because exchange tokens always do well. And later in the video, when you start to see the benefits and all the things which the exchange offer, you'll start to see why the Gate token is going to be very attractive this bull market. Not only that, they have many different brand partners as well. For example, they've recently partnered with Red Bull in F1, which is a really cool partnership. You may remember previously another big exchange was the partner. Now Gate have taken that over, committing to a multi-year contract with Red Bull. That is really cool. And also, if you like football, Inter Milan as well, they have which are a very good football team in Italy. They have a partnership, and you can see Gate on their sleeve right there. Not only the big partnerships guys, but they are also giving back to you as well. We can see right here Red Bull Racing Tour. If you like F1, if you like cars, or you just like winning monthly prizes, you can see right here, win F1 race day seats at the Brazil Grand Prix and share 20,000 Gate tokens monthly. This competition is always changing depending on what race and what is available right there. You can see like that. And you can also go over to the rewards hub as well and see exactly what generous rewards they are giving away for completing different challenges. Not only that, Gate allows you to use their platform in real life situations as well with their Gate card. Now, pretty much I use crypto cards every single day to buy coffee, to pay bills, to do many different things, even to withdraw cash. And Gate card is one that I have in fact ordered and I'll be using very soon. And I can't wait to get my hands on it to go ahead and use it for my day-to-day life. Of course, all you have to do is apply now. You just follow the simple steps right here, and you can go ahead and get 7% cash back on hotels and flights, 3% cashback. We can see 2% cashback for new users, 1% basic cashback, and of course crypto as cashback as well. They use MasterCard, so you can use it anywhere that you would use your normal bank card in your country. You can use it like so, and you can also self-manage your card very, very easily. So pay as you like, supported by global merchants. It's supported everywhere that accepts MasterCard, which is basically everywhere. So all you have to do is create your account. Of course, use the link down below if you want to go ahead and join Gate.io. Pass KYC and apply, and then complete the quests, activate your card and top it up with crypto to start spending. Very, very nice. A crypto card is always a beautiful thing to have in your arsenal. Also, they have Gate Wallet as well if you are more into DeFi and DEXs. We can see right here, Gate Wallet Touch right there. You don't need any battery. It's super slim like a credit card, and you can buy, store, and earn, transfer, and swap thousands of tokens completely with ease and never worry about the battery dying or running out or going flat. So it's super, super easy using the Gate Wallet app, and I really recommend taking a look at that and going ahead and pre-ordering that. So now I've got all that out of the way, I wanted to give you a brief overview just then about the exchange and what it can offer. I want to dive a little bit deeper into the exact things which I think are really, really interesting. So first of all, we can see right here the Gate card. I've already talked about that. You already know you can buy crypto using your card on Gate.io. A really cool feature which I want to talk about is this right here, where it says Trade Alpha. So if you click on this, it actually gets on-chain. You can get on-chain trading for different tokens before they actually go ahead and launch on a centralized exchange. So this could be a way to find different tokens that maybe might perform very, very well in the future, and you can buy them before they get listed on exchanges or centralized exchanges, or buy them before they in fact get even bigger. So you can see the volume down here on some of these 6-7 million. It's actually quite large. You can sort by volume, sort by price change as well, whatever you wanted to. But some of them have huge volume, like this code right there, around 860 million in volume, which is absolutely massive. And some of them are pretty interesting, to be honest. Of course, it's more risky. You should definitely do your own research before buying any of these because they may not, in fact, do well in the future. It's much safer to buy Bitcoin, but it's a great feature nonetheless. Not only that, they have leverage tokens as well. Now, leverage tokens is something which another exchange was doing quite a while ago, and Gate have been doing it also for a while as well. This allows you to buy tokens with a pre-built-in leverage. So, for example, if we see here Doge 5x long, this means you're buying Doge at 5x, so you don't have to go onto futures and enter a futures position and worry about that kind of stuff. You simply go over to Gate leverage tokens, buy it. It will have a built-in 5x long, and of course if Doge goes up 10%, your leverage token will go up 50% because it's 5x. Same thing with a short. We can see right here, Doge 5x short. If it goes down 10%, it will go down 50%, exactly like that. So this is really, really interesting. If you wanted to know more about it, you can watch the video here on the screen right here, but it's much easier way to trade. If you want to get exposure to leverage, maybe you're not a trader or you don't know how to enter trades, set your stop losses and everything like that. Of course, when you mention leverage, when you leverage tokens, especially like this, it is inherently risky. However, with the right amount of risk exposure and the right amount of safety precautions, it can be profitable. Taking a look further, we also have copy trading right here and bots. Many exchanges have copy trading now. This is one of the things that Gate offers as well. Of course, many profitable traders over here we can see like that. If you'd like a more in-depth video about copy traders, about leverage tokens, about any of the features that you see in today's video, then definitely let me know down below in the comments. And this will in fact enter you to go ahead and win that $200 giveaway every single Monday. So they also have the futures section, which of course you've seen many times on my videos. I'm not going to explain exactly how to enter and close a trade in today's video, but if you would like that, I can do a full trading tutorial for you. Have options as well, European style vanilla options. Have a unified account right there, futures kickoff, futures events, and demo trading as well. Now the earn section, in my opinion, is something that really differentiates the Gate exchange from other exchanges. First of all, we have the candy drop right here, and there is many cool features of the earn function right here, which I'll go over in the next few minutes. So basically what candy drop is you complete tasks to claim airdrops. So we can see down here there is a pump candy drop right here. You can simply join now, complete the different tasks, whatever it may be. We can see right here the airdrop type is deposit and trade, trade and invite, trade, right here, trade, trade. You have to do various different tasks and you'll go ahead and get airdropped that token. These kinds of things are very good if you're looking to grow your crypto. You maybe don't have access to capital or you don't have much money. These different things right here, you can go ahead and earn a little bit of money and use it to trade and hopefully grow your portfolio. Also in the earn section as well, they have a VIP wealth hub right there and a simple earn. We can see the little gold icon right here which relates to VIP, and these different things, if you are a whale, if you are a larger crypto holder, they have many different things to cater for you as well, whatever it may be. We can see right here wealth hub. You can go ahead and get customized wealth management right there. If you wanted to do something like that, the options are open with Gate. Also, I want to talk about dual investment. There's many different things here, guys, on Gate. We can see so many different things. I could spend an hour talking about all the different features just in the earn section right here. It's really, really good. We can see dual investment right here. This predicts market trends and earns extra interest. So the dual investment allows you to buy low, sell high basically, and make different profits from various situations. So for example, right here, step 2, select an investment plan. You select your coin right there, for example, Gate, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, whatever it may be. You select the term, the term length, 1 day, 2 day. It goes all the way down here up to, I believe, a year. 249 days, 340 days, a little bit less than a year. And you simply select the price ranges which you want right there, and you can go ahead and take advantage of that dual investment. Really great feature right there on the platform, and I think it will be very, very good. They have a community section right there. So if you wanted to go ahead and get live crypto analysis right there, you can. Let's click this and open this very, very quickly. We can see different live streams in different languages right here about crypto, altcoins, meme coins, whatever it may be. You can see many different streamers right there. And it actually takes you over to Gate Moments, which is a really cool thing. Square, which is a little bit like an X feed, live right there, chat, crypto calendar. You can see things which are coming up in the future for crypto, and it can be very, very interesting right there. If you want to trade, it's always good to know about news with the calendar section right there as well. And this is the Gate Moment section right there. To get back, you simply just click the home button and you can get back. They have a Web3 section as well, which I said in the start of the video. If you want to be centralized or decentralized, Gate has everything. It's literally an all-in-one platform, so you can use everything. You simply download the app right there, and you can go ahead and get access to 100+ different chains, networks right there, like you can see. So you don't have to go ahead and use other apps which maybe you don't trust or you're not familiar with. You can do it all within the Gate platform. So it's a really, really cool thing. And if you would like me to go more in depth in this, definitely I can go ahead and do that. Finally, moving on, we have the different events and stuff that they have. They always have something which is in fact in this section right here, Racing Tour right now. As I shared earlier in today's video, always they have something here, a different prize or competition or something like that going on. And this is the current one. You can go ahead and check it out and go ahead and enter right here and hopefully earn some nice prizes. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, one of my favorite exchanges in the past few years, and every single year they're adding new features and getting even better. With the Gate.io token as well, looking at a very, very nice price. I really think it could be a solid investment in my personal opinion to go ahead and buy some GT, some Gate token, because usually in bull markets, exchange tokens do very, very well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did want to go ahead and make the most of Gate.io or Gate.com now, you can go ahead and click the link down below to sign up, and there will be a very, very nice bonus for you for joining. And of course, all the features I can explain in even more depth if you would like. Leave a comment down below. That will enter you to win that $200, and I'll catch you in the next one.